take. Yeah. Well, made in China, like that. So, wow. Let's have a go. And hope I like what I see. Oh, look how well they pack them in and wrap. Wow. Oh, good. Can you see it? Ah, that's good. That looks lovely. Wow. Just as the picture. Ooh, I could make beautiful shadow boxes with this. Wow. Really pleased with that. Good. Well, there they are. The 7 boxes with my frames. Really pleased they all got here. Very nice. See? Really beautiful. 50 white, 50 black, so I hope lots of people will buy them. Woo! Fingers crossed.